Kung negosyante ka at nangangailangan ng extra capital, may isang bagay na baka ginagamit mo na ngayon pero hindi mo pa na-maximize. I'm not talking about inventory, equipment, and real estate. I'm talking about your personal credit history. Think about it. Every time you use your credit card responsibly and pay your dues on time, you're building a financial track record. Pero maraming business owners ang tingin lang sa credit card ay panggastos. What they don't realize is that good credit behavior also helps build financial credibility. And that matters because many entrepreneurs eventually hit a growth ceiling. Hindi dahil kulang ang customers at walang opportunities, but because most of their capital is already tied up in daily operations. For example, if you're in the food business and the price of ingredients suddenly drops, buying in bulk could help increase your margins. The opportunity is there, pero kung wala kang available capital, you may have to let that opportunity pass. Kung distributor ka at may malaking purchase order, baka hindi mo ma-accommodate yung demand dahil kulang ka ng capital. But with access to funding, you can cater to that order. That's why your credit history is more than just a record of your spending. It's also a reflection of your financial reputation. And in some cases, it can help open doors to business financing tulad ng BPI Kanegosyo Loan. It allows eligible business owners to use the credit limits from their existing non-BPI credit cards from major banks as an alternative path to business financing. So instead of just using your credit card for spending, you may be able to use the credit reputation you've built to fund your business goals. If you're a business owner, ask yourself this: what opportunities could your business take advantage of if you had better access to capital? Learn more about BPI Kanegosyo Loan through the link in the caption or bio.